In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram reel upload that's stuck. First, you want to check your internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. You also want to turn on the airplane mode on for a couple of seconds. After 10 to 15 seconds, you want to turn that off, then reconnect with internet. Now open Instagram and check if that fixes your issue. If internet is not the problem, then you want to force close the Instagram app. For that, tap and hold on the Instagram application, then tap on the app info option. Here, tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Next, you want to tap on the storage option. Here, tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data. Now open Instagram, upload the reel again and check if that fixes your issue. You also want to make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. To check, open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Instagram. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. By doing this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.